welcome back. I've jammed the wood chipper, the 15 horsepower wood chipper from Princess Auto, and it is jammed well. So I'll bring you in, we'll see if we can get it unjammed. Maybe we'll learn something, maybe it'll be a good day. We'll find out. I'm going to start by taking the Infeed chute off. To do that, I've got to remove those two bolts, and then it just lifts off the hinge on the other side. It's the 17 mil wrench. Nut, lock washer, flat washer, one at each station. Nut, lock washer, washer. Don't lose them. Huh. So yeah, you can see it's jammed up. Let's have a look. So yeah, that's the knife and that's the shear. The bottom one's the shear, the bolts are on the knife. There we go. See how all that stuff is stuck to the knife? So that is a double-sided knife. Now you can flip it over and it'll cut, then you can get it sharpened. But there's a knife there, and if I can pull it over, there's the other knife. And it's full of sawdust too. Let's clean that out as well. There's still more. The outfeed chute must be full as well then. All right, let's put it back together and see if we can get it to start. So I need to get these two pegs in those two holes from the top, and then we'll worry about the gasket. And then the door just hinges closed. But you got to get the gasket in the right place. And again, flat washer, lock washer, nylock nut. Don't forget to check your gasket. And then we'll go do the connector up. Just push them together. I was able to rotate that knife assembly fairly simply because I didn't have it jammed onto a 4-inch oak log or something. It was just jammed on some wood chips. But if you can't, if you've got yours solidly jammed and you can't rotate that assembly, there's a cover here that you can remove with your unjamming wrench. They have a 17 and a 19 millimeter hole wrench built into it. If you use the 19 millimeter, you can undo those nylock nuts, remove the washer from both studs, and the cover will come off, and you'll find a square nut that conveniently fits in the square opening. And you can use it to rotate your knife assembly, to unjam the roller or the knife assembly. And then just put your cover back on when you've got it open. But don't forget your flat washer and your 19 millimeter nylock nut. So what did we learn? We learned how to unjam the machine. We learned that you can take the Infeed chute off and get access to the knives, which would be handy if you want to sharpen the knives. We learned that there's 2 knives. They're reversible, so you've actually got 4 cutting edges. We learned that there's an access plate here that you can use the unjamming wrench to remove and spin the roller assembly. And there's a grease zerk that you may want to grease occasionally, you know, to improve the life of the machine. Anyway, I hope you found it useful. I know I did. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for just being you. Have a glorious day.